About this item: power strip with 6 outlets and 3 USB ports, 5 AC surge protector outlets and 1 widely spaced outlet, 1680 joules, 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C port, total 5V/3.0A, 15W, 6 feet power cord, 1625W/13A, surge protector indicator and 13A overload protector switch protects against spikes and fluctuations. Wide range voltage design, can be used on 120V to 240V circuit. Smart charging USB ports, built-in smart charging technology. This USB charger will detect your devices automatically, and each USB-A port features 5V/2.4A max output. USB-C charging port features 5V/3A max. 3 USB ports, total 5V/3.0A/15W, can charge almost any USB device.